This is the PopRace Mazda RX-7 in 1/64th scale. As we can see, it's a shiny metallic blue color. It is the best RX7 available in 1/64th scale. The black carbon fiber hood is one of the best. The engine bay can be viewed by opening the hood. We can see all the components this car has in the engine. It is very detailed. The hood has a unique texture. Let's take a closer look. The silver lining within it is awesome. Here is the rear view. And finally, the front view. Hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe.